welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back, guys. So we decided that we are going to do something completely different this time around. Going to let you into our lives a little bit. We decided to show off our honeymoon a little bit. And you want to tell them where we went?
We went to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida.
It was awesome.
It was.
We spent an entire week there. Mm-hmm. We went to Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure, and Volcano Bay. Mm-hmm. So, you want to tell them what we're going to do with this little series and everything?
So, we're going to do a small part series showing our tips, our tricks, the things we learned, and just showing you the parks without talking a whole lot, and then we'll have those videos out too.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So, also, in this video, we go through Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios and the little clips of Volcano Bay for you just to see the sights and everything of it. And there's a really, really neat part in this where we got to do the Harry Potter wand experience where the wand chooses the wizard. And normally it's a one-person thing. They let us do a two-person thing, so her and I did get chosen. Mm-hmm. It was really, really neat. The dialogue is completely different from probably what anybody else has experienced or seen. So, that being said, you guys need to stick around and check that out near the end of the video.
It was a great experience.
It really was.
Highlight.
It really was. Yep. So, without delaying anymore, we're going to jump right into this. So, bring on the next adventure.
Everyone get out of the water, there's a shark out there! Ah! Chomp, 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 chomp.
That's Jake and Elwood Blues.
Ding, ding, ding.
They owe me money, ding, ding, ding. You better get my money and show me some respect. Come on, everybody. Put your hands together, baby. Running around with troublemakers. Get over here, baby. What you want? Baby, I got it. Said what you need. Yeah, you know I got it. All I'm asking right now is for the respect. Get home, yeah, baby. When I get home, this the end. I am
Yep. All right, hit it. We're so glad to see so many of you lovely people here today. And just remember, people, that no matter who you are or what you do to live, thrive, and survive, some things make us all the same. You, me, them, my brother Jake, Jazz on the horn, everybody. Now get those hands up and put them together. Come on, people. Everybody, come on. Need somebody. Everybody, need somebody. Love. Some love. Someone to love. A sweet out of miss. Sweet out of miss. I should get a kiss. Should get a kiss. And I need you. Say it. I need you. I need you. Everybody. Hot souls on fire. Sometimes I feel a little sad side. We will play the streets man.
For the Blues Brothers straight out of Chicago, the Blues Brothers will be back at 2:40 and 3:40. It's ladies' night tonight at the Blues Brothers show. Ladies getting free.
What's going on, dear?
Not a whole lot.
Yeah, you having a good morning so far?
Yeah.
So what's your name, Hufflepuff?
Ashley.
Ashley? And who do you got with you here, Ashley?
This is my husband, Brady.
Hey, Brady, what's happening, man? Gryffindor.
Absolutely.
Wow, those are two of my favorite hoses.
Oh yeah? What are your-
They're both in my top 4. Hey, man. Hey, Brady, I see you got your wand out. You're not looking to start a duel, are you?
Well, you got no hands, so...
Yeah, that would be unfair. As you can see, I'm unarmed. So how long have we been married now?
Since October.
Oh, wow. Not even a year. That's great,
Yeah. We're
Hey.
here on our honeymoon.
This is your honeymoon?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
For making it out of your room today. Hey, sir, what's the secret to a long and happy marriage, man?
Yes, dear.
You've trained him well in the year, miss. You've trained him well.
Do you have any marriage advice?
Always stay ahead of the game, but I'm not the one to ask.
Oh, okay.
As you see, I've gone through a separation.
I was gonna say, where's Ernie?
Yeah, I haven't seen him, man. Hey, if you see him anywhere, give me a heads up, all right, man?
Okay.
Yeah, without the driver, I'm just kind of stuck here. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, the bus is more like an envelope right now. It's stationary.
Did Beetlejuice shrink her head?
I'm gonna say,
Did
who's
Beetlejuice-
that, man?
Oh,
Is that a powerful wizard?
yeah.
No, man, I woke up this way. I don't know what happened.
That's rough.
As you can see, I've let myself go. I just don't know where it went,
This keeps going, huh?
Oh yeah, they just come off the top of my head, So what's the plan? Where are we off to?
I don't know. Where should we go next?
Let's see. You've seen Diagon Alley?
Not yet. Oh. Okay.
What is your name?
Ashley?
Ashley, very good then. All right, and how do we know each other? Married?
Married.
Yeah,
Yep.
fantastic.
On our honeymoon.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
When was the big day then?
It was back in October.
Like, I seem to have delayed.
A little
That's
bit.
fine, that's fine. Well, fantastic. And you're a Hufflepuff then?
Yes.
And so we have Brady, and one more time, you
Ashley?
Ashley, that's right. So, Ashley Brady, you may know that every wand contains a core of a powerful magical substance. Indeed, we use unicorn hairs and phoenix tail feathers, even the heartstrings of dragons. Now, no two Ollivander wands are the same, just as no two unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite the same. And you will never get such good results with another wizard's wand. Very good. Normally I'd say ladies first, but since Brady had the appointment, let's start with him, shall we?
Yes.
All right, very good. So, let's see, for you, we have a wand of ash. You see, 14 3/4 inches long. Pleasantly stringy. The unicorn hair core. All right, let's try that, shall we? There's a bell by my door. Make it larger. Wave the wand and say, Engorgio. Engorgio. Oh, not quite, not quite. Interesting. Very well. Let me think about that for a moment while I speak with your wife, shall we? All right. Ashley, if you don't mind for a moment. Let's pass on the bubble box. All right. Let's see the no. Oh, you're right here. Let's see. I think you do something like oak. Yes, simple and elegant. 16.5 inches long. Dragon heartstring core. Lovely combination. There we are. Light up the tip, please. Just concentrate and say luminous.
Luminous.
Dear. It's your turn, trick hunter! Bit of a tricky customer. So good luck. No, I'm joking. Of course, no, the connection between wand and wizard's tricky indeed. The best results only occur when there's the strongest affinity or bond between the strongest bond between the wizard and the wand. Wait a moment. I wonder. Yes. This is a wand of ivy. It contains a dragon heartstring. Both of you. A dragon heartstring which came from the same dragon that lies in the heart of this wand of oak. Try that. You see, paired wands. I should have known, eh? Ah, yes, of course. Great. You're a strong, stable wizard. You need a strong and stable wand, and that is oak. Oak is good for a good many types of magic. Healing, protection, charm work, even a bit of good luck. And you, my dear, a loving heart, a determined and resilient spirit. Ivy will ensure cooperation and protection for loved ones. It's perfect for healing. And we have dragon heartstring cores for your loyalty, your firm convictions. These are traits which, of course, are leading you down the road to leadership, especially when you're working together. Now, if I may, the wand has chosen a wizard, but it is up to the wizard to choose the wand. My assistant can answer questions, go over options, and remember, the wand will learn from the wizard, but the wizard also learns from the wand, so use them wisely. And these wands do share a powerful core connection, so you do not want to duel each other with them. The result will be explosive. Such a pleasure to meet you both. All the best to you.
Thank you.
And if I might offer, since it is still a fairly new marriage, some words of advice for you. So, this is a magic charm that will work wonders for your marriage, all right? So repeat after me. Yes, dear. Okay. All right. Excellent. Such a pleasure to meet you both. All the best to you. Thank you for selecting Ollivanders. Delightful.